Starting your own quantity surveying consultancy can seem daunting, yet with the right planning, structure, and mindset, you can build a profitable business that offers flexibility and long-term success. In this video, we cover the following steps, from creating a business plan to meeting RICS requirements. Step 1. Creating a business plan. A solid business plan is essential for keeping you focused and profitable. It should include services and clients, define whether you'll specialize in commercial management, traditional QS services, or dispute resolution. Identify key client types, such as contractors, developers, or private clients. Pricing strategy. Decide between day rates, hourly rates, or fixed fees. Research current market rates, ensuring your costs and profit margins are clear. SWOT analysis. Be realistic about strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Cash flow forecast. Map out expected income and expenses for at least 12 months. Risk management. Plan for late payments, contract gaps, and other financial challenges. Step 2. Registering your business. Choose a legal structure that suits your goals. 1. Sole trader. Quick to set up but offers no liability protection. 2. Limited company. Offers liability protection and appears more professional. Or 3. Limited liability partnership. Flexible if you have multiple partners. Most QS consultancies opt for limited company. You'll need to register with Companies House, pick a company name and appoint at least one director, register for corporation tax, and consider VAT registration if you exceed the current threshold, £90,000 as of today. Open a dedicated business bank account to keep finances separate. Step 3. Meeting RICS firm requirements. If you want to be RICS regulated, have at least one RICS qualified person, hold professional indemnity insurance at RICS required level, implement a written complaints handling procedure with an alternative dispute resolution process, keep client money secure if you handle it and ensure staff are trained, submit annual returns and be prepared for compliance checks. Step 4. Getting professional indemnity insurance. Professional indemnity insurance is mandatory for RICS regulated firms and highly recommended for all QS consultancies. Coverage levels depend on your turnover. You might also need public liability insurance and employer's liability insurance if you hire staff or have multiple directors. Step 5. Setting up business finances. Financial management is crucial. You'll need a business bank account for company transactions, and accounting software, for example QuickBooks, to handle invoices, expenses, and tax. Keep detailed records and budget for tax to avoid year-end surprises. Hiring an accountant can save time and money, ensuring you claim the right tax reliefs and stay compliant. Step 6. Staff training and CPD. RICS regulated firms must ensure staff, including directors, are properly trained. You're also required to complete annual CPD. Metroun Learning offers relevant courses with tests and certificates, helping you to maintain compliance. Visit metroun.co.uk for details. Step 7. Ongoing compliance. After launching, maintain compliance by submitting an annual RICS return if regulated, filing annual accounts and confirmation statements with Company House, paying corporation tax and VAT on time, keeping financial records for at least 6 years, and if you employ staff, register for PAYE, provide lawful contracts, and observe health and safety regulations. Step 7. Planning for growth. Once stable, consider expansion. Before hiring or adding services, ensure a steady pipeline of work, understand tax and employment responsibilities, and keep meeting RICS ethical and professional standards. Growth is exciting, but a solid foundation keeps your business strong in the long run. Launching a QS consultancy involves more than just finding clients. You must structure your business correctly, secure the right insurance, and comply with RICS requirements from day one. By planning thoroughly and staying organized, you'll set yourself up for lasting success. If you enjoyed this video, please consider clicking the like button. It really does help us grow. And if you haven't already, why not subscribe so you get notified when we upload a new video each Wednesday? Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.